this video, we are looking at stocks which 3 CPRs are up on a monthly time frame. Okay, and we are only looking for stocks which has a weekly option. And also we are also looking at developing CPR, which is trending up. Okay, cross up, right? So we just want to align the CPR direction with the trending, developing CPR direction also is up. Okay, so now we got 24, right? So I want to look for buy market cap. So if you look at here, 55 means 55 candles are up on the KO, right? Let's look at the charts. KO. Okay. Time frame is yellow. So all the CPR is up. So here developing CPR has turned up to 2 candles. Okay. Next one. So BZ chart. Okay, 3 CPR up. So you want to wait for a candle like this, where you have upper wick but no lower wick. But it has to open above the CPR. So this is not a good candle. So you want to wait for a candle like this, appear above, right? Only then you can start taking the trade. So time frames are all negative. I don't want to like this. Okay, so now let's go to let's start by this one. 91. Okay, let's say ABBD. Let's look at ABBD. So it's a clear uptrend. Okay, so it's a good. So you can see everything green. It's a clear uptrend. It's all uptrend here. It's all uptrend here. So you want to basically look for a candle like this to appear above, and then you can take the trade. Okay. Then the next one is VALE, VALE. So let's look at this one. KO is good. So we looked at it. Let's look at VALE. It also looks very good. So everything is green. This is much better chart. You see here. So as soon as this crosses here and you get a candle above like this, but only upper wick, no lower wick, and if you get a candle like this, you can take the trade. Take to the upside. Okay, so next one is ADM. Let's look at ADM. ADM also green all the way, multi time frame. So you want to wait for a candle to open above. So next candle opens above, you can just take the trade. I think fundamentally all strong basic material companies are going up, looks to me. Right? So thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. We also provide the CPR and developing pivots for free.